Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Lesson 9 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about verbs of motion and how to use verbs in the present, past and future tenses and continue with the prepositional case. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. Verbs of motion have two infinitive forms, multidirectional and unidirectional. For example, to ride or to drive in the multidirectional form is
Ездить,
and the unidirectional form is
ехать.
the multidirectional verbs describe motion with more than one destination and random motion. That doesn't mean that you perform this action at this moment. It is more like a habit, something that you do often. You went somewhere and returned back. For example, I drive every day.
Я езжу каждый день.
The unidirectional verbs describe motion from point A to point B. Use this form when you are performing the action at this moment or describing motion in one direction. For example, I'm driving now.
Я еду сейчас.
These verbs also have past, present and future tenses. To say I am driving in general is
Я езжу.
to say I'm driving in one direction is
Я еду.
to say I drove in general is
Я ездил.
to say I drove in one direction is
Я ехал.
to say I will drive in general is
Я поезжу.
to say I will drive in one direction is
Я поеду.
These po forms have the meaning of setting out. Another verb of motion is to fly. The multi-directional infinitive of to fly is
Летать.
the unidirectional infinitive of to fly is
Лететь.
to say I fly in general is
Я летаю.
to say I fly in one direction is
Я лечу.
to say I flew in general is
Я летал.
to say I flew in one direction is
Я летел.
to say I will fly in general is
Я полетаю.
to say I will fly in one direction is
Я полечу. Поезд,
train,
автобус,
bus,
метро,
metro,
самолет,
plane,
троллейбус,
trolleybus,
любовь.
love,
Мне нравится.
I like,
Автобус в автобусе.
bus, in the bus,
Поезд на поезде.
train, on the train,
Самолет на самолете.
Aeroplane in the aeroplane.
Метро в метро.
Metro on the metro.
Читайте рассказ.
Read the story.
Транспорт и любовь.
Transport and love.
Читайте текст.
Read the text.
Я учусь в университете.
I'm studying at the university.
Мне очень нравится одна девушка.
I like one girl very much.
Я все время думаю о ней.
All the time I think about her.
Утром я еду на троллейбусе и думаю о ней.
In the morning I ride on the trolleybus and think about her.
Потом я еду на метро и думаю о ней.
Then I ride on the metro and think about her.
Потом я еду на автобусе и думаю о ней.
Then I ride on the bus and think about her.
На уроке я тоже думаю о ней.
In the lesson, I also think about her.
В столовой я обедаю и думаю о ней.
In the canteen, I have lunch and think about her.
Потом я еду домой.
Then I ride home.
Сначала я еду на автобусе, потом на метро, потом на троллейбусе.
At first, I ride on the bus, then on the metro, then on the trolleybus.
И все время думаю о ней.
And all the time I think about her.
Летом я ездил домой.
In summer, I went home.
Я был дома в Испании.
I was home in Spain.
Сначала я ехал на поезде.
At first, I rode on the train.
И все время думал о ней.
And all the time I thought about her.
Потом я летел на самолете.
Then I flew on an aeroplane.
В самолете тоже я думал только о ней.
In the aeroplane, also, I thought only about her.
Когда я полечу в космос, я все время буду...
When I will fly in space, all the time I will...
Что делать?
What will I do?
Думать о ней.
Think about her.
Ответьте на вопросы.
Answer the questions.
Где он был летом?
Where had he been in summer?
На чем он ехал домой?
On what did he ride home?
На чем он летел домой?
On what did he fly home?
О ком он все время думал?
About whom was he thinking all the time?
Ответы на вопросы.
Here are the answers.
Он был в Испании летом.
In summer he was in Spain.
Он ехал на поезде домой.
He rode home on the train.
Он летел на самолете домой.
He flew home on an aeroplane.
Он все время думал о ней.
All the time he thought about her.
Он все время думал о девушке.
All the time he thought about a girl.
Домой. Думать. Ездить. Ехать. Летать. Лететь. Любовь. Обедать. Потом. Сначала. Тоже. Только. Утро. Университет. Учиться.
In this lesson, you have learned about verbs of motion and continued with the prepositional case. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting